I'm Lana Kim, Atomy Specialist Curator. Are you leading a healthy life every day? As the health concern continues, it has become essential to wash your hands. Also, don't we nowadays disinfect places such as doorknobs and cell phones where our hands frequently touch? So, how do you take care of your clothes? How often do I have to wash them? How should I wash them? This has added extra concerns for housewives. According to a quarantine expert, viruses can stick to porous materials like the fabric of this cloth and survive. So it's recommended that when returning home after going out, you should shake off the dust on your clothes and wash your clothes as often as possible. How can we properly do laundry? We should use detergents that can cleanly remove foreign body by using a specific amount at once, dissolve well in cold water, and protect the fiber. Therefore, aren't a lot of people looking for highly concentrated pH-neutral laundry detergent? There seems to be no one who doesn't know this product yet. Today's product, Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent, is a highly concentrated pH-neutral laundry detergent. Highly concentrated pH-neutral laundry detergent, Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent is in a zipper bag type packaging. I will show it to you. It's easy cut, so when using it for the first time, you can easily open and use it. After tearing it like this, use the product, and since it's a zipper bag, you can easily close the zipper once you have finished using it. Wow, 30 sheets inside, so it's very thick. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent is very easy to use. It's great, and great, because there's no messy powder, no measuring, and no overuse of the detergent. If you use Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent, you don't have to worry about doing a rough washing before the main laundry, because the clothes are cleansed spotlessly as the tough stains are broken down. Time saving, cost saving, the cleanest from the detergent, and on top of all these features, Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent also has a whitening function that brightens the color. Furthermore, as the clothes directly touch the skins of the children, there should be no detergents left on the clothes. But we also want the fabric to be protected, as static electricity is an issue during weather like in recent days. So aren't a lot of you looking for detergents with fabric softener functions? If so, completely change to Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent, because there's a special water-soluble polymer fabric softener function that prevents any damage or deformation of clothes, which protect the fiber well. So you'll be very satisfied just with this function. Remember this: strong cleansing power, whitening functions that brightens the color, and fabric softener functions that protect the fiber. 1, 2, 3, all in one. It's a 3-in-1 Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. So you must be wondering about how to use the detergent. It's not difficult at all. Please remember only this for Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. You don't put it in the detergent inlet of a washing machine. Instead, just put 1 sheet of detergent on top of the laundry. Even when washing by hand, get some water in the wash basin and put half a sheet on the laundry. Then the detergent will quickly spread out. What type of washing machine can be used? High-performance washing machine, general washing machine, front-loading washing machine, all types of washing machine, all usable. You can use it without worrying about the type of washing machine. As mentioned earlier, half a sheet when hand washing, and half a sheet for about 3 kilograms of laundry. So how to use half a sheet? No need for any tools like scissors. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent has a perforated line like this. So when using this detergent, you can tear the sheet based on your need every time. Isn't this easy to use and, more importantly, economical? First place in cleansing power, first place in convenience, first place in economic performance. I hope you get to easily feel the strong cleansing power of all-in-one and 3-in-1 functions through Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent. Among all others, while using Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent, I really like the scent. Atomy Sheet Laundry Detergent uses coconut oil as a base and then adds peach and rose scents to it. After finishing the laundry, whenever the collars rub, the scent smears out, which is very attractive, so it makes me look back again and again. The scent coming off me, even this incense, has a function that takes care of my body. By using allergen-free fragrances, materials that could cause 26 kinds of allergies have been removed. Not only that, but while you are doing the laundry, foreign body and dirt could come off, but it could always return back to the fabrics later. There's a polymer coating on the fiber, so foreign bodies can be easily removed and not returned back to the fiber. You must be thinking that Atomy sheet laundry detergent is different from other products, as even the fragrance not only produces a good odor, but has great functions. Atomy sheet laundry detergent is not only housewife-friendly, but also has a great price. One package is 30 sheets, but the price is amazingly low at only 9,800 Korean won, more than 35% of PV. We will also give up to 3,500 PV. Are you washing your duvets well? A lot of the houses are washing the duvets with pillow covers once every month. You probably have seen news articles recommending to wash the bed products once every week. Use Atomy sheet laundry detergent economically in fixed quantity, without the need to make any measurements. If you plan to do the laundry twice a week, and you use a single sheet, it will be more than enough for 3 months. The green star, Earth that we're living in, many say that we're borrowing it. If you're concerned about the environment, want to be economical, and most of all want the laundry to be washed well, you must change to Atomy sheet laundry detergent. Please just remember one thing about Atomy sheet laundry detergent. Strong cleansing power doesn't require excessive water, a whitening function that brightens the color, and a fabric softener that protects the fiber. It's 3-in-1, all-in-one. By using Atomy sheet laundry detergent, a highly concentrated pH-neutral laundry detergent, we can take care of the environment, take care of our family's health, and take care of our household budget.